What is up, guys? So I'm out here with my daily driver. It's my BMW X5. She's really dirty. I just got back driving from Florida. I got the RSX back there, but just reminded me that I need to do an oil change now. I just drove a couple thousand miles, and I figured I'd make a quick video on how you guys can get free oil changes for your European cars. Really simple. It's a great tip. It's going to save you guys a lot of money. I've been doing it for a couple years now, so I figured I'd put you guys onto some game. So basically how this works, a lot of you guys have probably heard of this site already. It's called FCP Euro. They're a great vendor. This video isn't sponsored by them or anything, but hey, if you guys want to sponsor me, feel free to reach out. But basically they have lifetime warranties on all their parts, and that includes oil. So the way it works is you buy your first oil change set from them. You know, that includes all the oil that you need, the filter with the gaskets, and you buy that first one, so you pay that up front. But then going forward, they will credit you after that for every other oil change. So yeah, all you have to do is pay for the shipping back to them, and they will credit you, and your next oil change and everyone after that is basically free, except for the shipping that you're going to pay, which again is like 20 bucks. So really, it's definitely worth it. Oil change for this car costs typically about $80 to $100, so it is worth it. I'm going to show you guys the process because I do have some old oil that I'm going to need to return. So let's get on the website and I'll show you exactly what you got to do to get your free oil changes. So I have the dirty oil. You want to double bag it. I like to use like these thick garbage bags. But yeah, you're going to include the filter with the gaskets and the 6 quarts of old oil. You're going to double bag it, tape it up good, box it up, and we're going to get on the website and I'm going to show you the return procedure.
Right, so we're signed into FCP Euro site here. So like I said earlier in the video, you have to pay for your first oil change on the FCP Euro site. You can see here I have the BMW 5W40 oil change kit. This is the one I use for my X5. So now I need to do my next oil change. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this to cart. Now you have to pay for this up front. So we're going to go through the checkout process. Okay, so you can see I just bought my next oil change. It came to $84.85. They do have very fast shipping. This is just standard shipping, and it'll be here Thursday. It'll probably be here quicker because they are pretty close to me. But here's what we're going to do to make sure we get a refund for this order, because I paid up front, but they are going to refund me. So we're going to copy my order number here. And on the bottom of the site, we're going to go to returns. And we're going to click submit lifetime guarantee replacement. Okay, so you have your orders here. We're going to go to our most recent order. Mine was in July. This was right before my trip to Florida. You could see it's the same product. So we're going to check off that we're returning these. For the reason, we're going to choose warranty, lifetime replacement, and the most recent replacement order. This is the order that we just placed. So we're going to put this here. Okay. And we're going to accept and continue. And we're going to print out our RMA label. And if you look at the instructions on your label here, you're going to double bag the old oil, make sure it's nice and secure. We're going to include this RMA document, and we're going to ship to them at this address. Once they receive this return, they'll credit the oil that I just purchased, and it'll essentially be free besides the shipping. And now when I do this oil change, I'm going to do the same process for my next one. So ultimately, you just continue doing this process. So essentially, you know, you're getting an excellent oil, liquid moly, you're getting your filters, your gaskets, your crush washer, and you're only paying the shipping, which is about $20 for the most part. You should be able to use like a USPS flat rate box if you package this correctly. So shipping costs should be minimal compared to the almost $100 that I'm spending for the oil. So there you have it, guys. Big shout out to FCP Euro. Again, this video is not sponsored by them. They are an excellent company. I bought quite a few things from them over the years, and they always stand by their products, and they have a lifetime warranty, which is very rare in this industry. So make sure you check them out. Make sure you're getting your free oil changes. And this is DC5 James, and I'll see you next video.